The next question is only parts D and E. The question is, the G string of a guitar has a fundamental frequency of 196 hertz. The linear mass density of the string is 2.29 times 10 to the negative 3 kilograms over meters. And the length of a string that is free to vibrate between the nut and the bridge of the guitar is 0.641 meters. What is the speed waves on the G string? Now, the first thing we need to do is find the wavelength and then convert that to wave speed. I say that because we're given enough information to find the wavelength. I'm going to write a few notes down. Now, before I start, I'm just writing some stuff that I'm given. The frequency is 196 hertz. The wavelength is 2L, L being length of the vibrating string, and then 0.641, and then U being the mass density of the string. Now, like I said before, we're converting wavelength into wave speed. Since I said wavelength is 2L, 2 times 0.641, that's 1.282 meters, right? Now we're going back to our wave speed formula we use, and we probably will be using a few times. It's wave speed equals wavelength and frequency, and we have everything we need to solve that. And just plugging in the numbers here, we have our wave speed. It is 251.27 meters over seconds. Now we're going to look back into our reference sheet for this next question, because it's what is the tension in the string? Well, we have the wave speed, and the only other thing we're given is the max density of the string, which is 2.29 times 10 to the negative 3. Now, there is a formula, and I believe it is 15.4 or 5, maybe 6, I'm not sure. But it is wave speed equals the square root of tension over that mass density right there. Now, to solve this algebraically, to isolate tension, which is what we're finding, we're going to square both sides. Then we're going to multiply by this U. I'm just going to call it U. And now we have tension equals U times wave speed squared, which is what I have over here. So just writing a few more notes down. Tension equals U times wave speed squared. Here's my wave speed. Here's my U. Just plug it in. And this is my final calculations. Calculator, just using it. I have it on my side. That is how we find tension in the string.